That sounds like Chinese. That's not Spanish. No, that's Akajin Dongpang. How do you say this, your father? Well, it's a new chapter in my life. I'm very, very excited to be a father. I have a proud baby boy who I actually was on my chat today with. I could see him with mommy on the computer today. My son, mi hijo, James. I think you call him Jaime in Espanol. See? James, Jaime? I call him Jaime sometimes, especially when he's going on. It's fun. You know, he wakes me up very early in the morning. That's not so much fun. I like to sleep, but he doesn't like to sleep so long, so I have to learn to adapt. But now, since I've been on the road for a month and a half, I've been sleeping now in the mornings longer.